Hi, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager at Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2014 Hino 268A. Stock number is L110 if you'd like to take a look at it on our website. Before we jump into the walk around on this truck, we're going to go over a couple things our customers are looking for when they purchase a pre-owned truck. First thing they're looking for is a truck that's dependable and reliable that they can put on the road immediately, making them money. They're looking for a truck that either has warranty or can have warranty put on it, and they're looking for trucks that are easily financeable. That's what our goal is here at Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, to be a one-stop truck shop for our customers to meet their needs. We bring these trucks in from our lease department, which this truck came from, or from our customers' trade-ins. We go through them, wholesale the trucks we don't want, and keep only the best trucks for our customers to purchase. Once we've done that, we go through a 150-point process. We go through the cabs, the bodies, lift gates, tires, brakes. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium shop, through our body shop. Once all those are fixed, I personally test drive the trucks. We do a QC, clean up, take pictures and videos so we can get them on the internet. This particular truck is a 2014 Hino 268A. It's 25,950 GVW. It's got air brakes, spring ride, Hino 6-cylinder diesel engine. It's got the Allison 6-speed automatic, and on top of the 150 we've also done an oil change, oil filter, fuel filter, air filter. We've cleaned the DPF filter. The reefer unit has been serviced with fresh engine oil, oil filter, fuel filter, and it's got new belts on it, so both of them are ready to go. Let's take a look to the inside of this truck real quick. As we climb up in here, it's got two grab handles to get up in here pretty easy. It's got an air ride driver's seat. It's got a two-person bench seat, so you can have a crew of 3 in here. And then the Hinos, you can look out. You got a good view outwards, but you can also still see up pretty close with that slanted hood that the Hinos are known for. You got the AM/FM stereo, AC cruise control. And as I said, this is a diesel automatic, so it's really easy to drive. You guys can get in here, start it up, put it in drive, and take off. It's got the air brakes on it. The reefer control is down here where it's easily seen. And even though this is a 2014 truck, you can look at it. It cleaned up really nice, and it's really ready to go. So it'll be a safe, clean, reliable truck for your guys to go out and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you purchase the Hino, you're getting Toyota's reliability and the durability that they're known for worldwide. This truck's in really good shape. The corner caps are good. It's got a Thermo King 1080R on it, and this unit will run down to 0 and past. And like I say, it has been fully serviced. It's got a 26-foot reefer body on it. It's got a side door, and it's also got a 13-foot by 24-inch side ramp that mounts under the back, so that way you can load from the back with the liftgate, or you can load and unload from the side. It's got good rubber on it, fresh mud flaps. And like I say, this right here is where the pull-out ramp is stored. This truck can go dock to dock, dock to ground, or ground to dock with this 2,500-pound tuckway liftgate. It's got an 84-inch wide 40+4 platform on it, so you can put your goods on it. It runs really nice. Get up to the top, it meets real good. Like I said, this is a 26, 103, 102 wide. Really good spec. It's got the reefer floor in it. It's got 3 rows of E-track, so you got plenty of places to tie down. It's got the Chemlite lining, the aluminum scuff that goes up the side. And like I say, it's got the side door in it. It's got 2 dome lights in it for the early morning or late evening. And the roll-up rear door is in really good shape. Liftgate runs down just as good as it does going up. Our customers come into Industrial Power thinking that they just want a big white delivery truck to haul their freight around in. We don't see it like that here at Industrial Power. We can take this truck, which we look at as a mobile billboard. We can wrap the whole side of the body on both sides, plus we can wrap the cab if you'd like with your name, your designs, your graphics, and bring customers to you and back to you while this thing's running down the road, turning that fuel money into advertising money. As we wrap up the walk around on this truck, you can see it's a really good reefer, 26 foot. It's in good shape, fully serviced, ready to go. And we want you to think Industrial Power when you're thinking pre-owned used trucks. We got the big trucks, the small trucks, we got reefer trucks, flatbeds, other vocationals that you can look at on our website ready for you to take delivery on. If you'll stick with us for a minute, we're going to tilt the hood on this thing, start it up, and do a closer video on the truck where you can see it a little bit better. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, or subscribe to our YouTube channel where we're putting new trucks on pretty much every day. And again, we appreciate your time.